Everyone, how to do so back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to fix your TikTok algorithm, or how to fix your TikTok feed. So if you don't like your TikTok algorithm or feeds that currently you watch the videos you don't like, so you can refresh it or reset it. So how to fix it? So first of all, you need to open your TikTok application. Then simply tap here right bottom corner, it's a profile icon. Then tap here right top corner, it's three line. Tap here settings and privacy. Tap here content preference. So tap here refresh your feed, and you can see here refresh your feed. We will temporarily show you popular videos you may not temporarily see. Watch, like, comment and share videos so we can learn your preference. Once refreshed, your feed should feel more personalized. Simply tap here the start button. So after that, if you watch any videos on interest, so you can why you refresh, maybe you don't like maybe repetitive content, upsetting content, useless content, so you can submit. They understand and they shoot or recommend the videos according to your interest.